Good morning, District 105. I'm Robin Anand, your District Director, speaking to you. Today is a very special day. Yes, today is 30th of June 2020. It has been exactly 365 days since I and my team took over the office. Today is my last day in office as District 105 Director. It has been an amazing journey. Yes, today I do feel a little bit sad and maybe emotional. But then I have so many wonderful memories to cherish thanks to all of you. Let me thank each of you, the 5,000 plus members of our district, for making this journey very special. You gave your best by sharing your life journeys, experiences, and inspiring each other and keeping the Toastmaster fraternity learning and growing. Thank you so much. Let me also take the opportunity to thank the 1,700 plus club leaders of our district. You have guided, motivated, and channelized the positive energy of members and ensured collective growth. Thank you so much. Now is the time to thank a team we worked very closely with. I would call them the Magnificent 13, the 13 division directors. They were like group managers, and our divisions were large enough to be mini districts. In fact, some of our divisions are bigger than some of the provincial districts of the world. And these division directors did a fantastic job. In fact, together they have already added 25 clubs to the district, and we may have a few more clubs joining before the end of our term. I would like to thank them because they are the heroes who worked with the clubs, the areas, and also the district leaders to ensure growth all around the district. So thank you, division leaders. Now is the time to thank the extended family of district leaders. Yes, I'm talking about the committee chairs. They did a fantastic job and they brought all their experience to the table and helped the district team immensely. Let me start by thanking Distinguished Toastmaster Cyprian Miskit, who was the audit committee chair. He ensured that we always had our finances aligned with what TMI guidelines are there to follow. So thank you so much, Distinguished Toastmaster Cyprian Miskit, for that. Now, Distinguished Toastmaster Ramesh Menon has been an extremely passionate servant leader for the district, and this year he did a fantastic role as a realignment chair. He ensured that the divisions and areas and clubs were aligned in such a way that the next coming year would be much easier for us to administer and ensure more growth for the district and division. So thank you so much, Distinguished Toastmaster Ramesh Menon, for doing a fantastic job. Now coming to our present incoming region advisor, Distinguished Toastmaster Sunil Kotaratil. He did a fantastic job as a district leadership chair. He ensured that the right people were nominated for district leadership positions and everything was done as per the TMI guidelines, and we had such a fantastic and smooth elections thanks to all the work done by Distinguished Toastmaster Sunil Kotaratil and his district leadership team. So thank you so much, DTM Sunil, for that. Now coming to Toastmaster Saleh Al-Gilani, he had a tough job. He was the Arabic committee chair and the clubs were spread across the district, but he ensured that he brought all of them together and moved them along and ensured that we had a smooth district Arabic contest and various other measures to develop Arabic clubs. So thank you so much, Toastmaster Saleh Al-Gilani, for all your coordination, and thank you to your team. Now coming to another very, very seasoned and experienced Toastmaster, Distinguished Toastmaster Anil Vidyadharan. He was our credential chair, and this year the credential chair job was extremely tough because the elections were supposed to happen online. He ensured that all the 500 plus voting members of our district credentials were checked and facilitated until the last moment. He allowed people to sign in and be a voter for the district election. So thank you so much for all that fantastic work done, Distinguished Toastmaster Anil Vidyadharan. Now coming to another very, very seasoned and experienced Toastmaster, Distinguished Toastmaster Saleh Al Khamyasi. He ensured that we had all the support when it came to Arabic and Arabic content. And now I would request the next year to ensure that we continue this tradition and maybe have a few more languages added. So thank you so much, DTM Saleh Al Khamyasi, for that. Coming to the district team, I will start with the all-rounder in our team, distinguished Toastmaster Rupesh Tanna. He was the logistic manager. He was somebody who volunteered to do any role, and yes, he did manage all our logistics whenever we had any events and whatever offline events were happening. He was very much involved in that. But more than that, it was the enthusiasm and passion to be part of the group and help in whatever is required. So thank you so much, DTM Rupesh Tanna, for being there for all our events. Thank you so much. Now coming to the webmaster, Toastmaster Suhas Deshmukh. He is truly a servant leader. He ensured that the website were always kept alive. We ensured that whatever needed to be stored for the benefit of members and leaders was stored in the website, and all the information was updated. He coordinated with the agency. So thank you so much, Toastmaster Suhas, for doing that fantastic work. Now coming to the IT manager. Now this IT manager has a heart of a Toastmaster but mind of an IT wizard, and that was really put to the test when 4 months back we switched over to virtual. So not only ensured smooth transition of virtual club meetings with the PR team, but he also ensured that we had fantastic district council and election meetings because of his hard work and the proactive measures he took. So we had a fantastic election, and we had more than 17 leaders elected through a virtual platform, and all that work was done by him and his team. So thank you so much, DTM Saju Varghese, for being there as an IT manager for the district. Now we come to the admin manager, DTM Jeena Chandran. I call him the connector. He ensured that maximum emails, WhatsApp messages, and all kinds of reminders were sent to all of you, the members, the club, area and division leaders, so that you were aware of the district events, and we had maximum participation in the XCOM and council meetings. And he was also a person who probably made the maximum number of detailed minutes somebody can make. So thank you so much, DTM Jeena Chandran, for all that fantastic work. Now coming to our finance manager, he started as an auditor because his heart is of an auditor, but he gradually transformed himself and he became a leader who facilitated financial growth, and he helped all of us to make sure that we spent the monies wisely and for the benefit of the district. So thank you to Toastmaster DTM G Kumar for doing a fantastic job. Thank you so much. And now coming to the PR manager, the powerhouse who started slowly. She did not have the skills of a PR manager or a designer, but as she grew into the role, she learned both these arts, and then she did a fantastic job, and she played a very, very important role in the transition of clubs from offline to online, along with the IT manager and some of the other individuals who helped. She played an important role and ensured that 200 plus clubs were online in no time, and she did a fantastic job as a PR manager with all those event posters and all those important announcements she did. Thank you so much, DTM Rania, for that, and wish her all the best for her role as the incoming club growth director. Now I would like to come to the close-knit group of district leaders who were the people behind the strategy and also the implementation of all the initiatives in the district. The district trio plus the two advisors. I will start with the two advisors. The first and the most important person for our district, who has been inspiring the district for so long, distinguished Toastmaster Mohammad Murad, our past international president, did a fantastic role as a parliamentarian and was always available to advise us. And the one quality that I really admired about him was that whenever we asked for solutions, he asked more questions, thereby asking us to arrive at the solutions ourselves and ensuring our growth as leaders. So thank you so much, distinguished Toastmaster Mohammad Murad, for that. DTM Balaji Nagabhushan was the immediate past district director and also an advisor for us. In fact, he played the role of 4 advisors. First of all, the advisor for District 105 as the immediate past district director, and he is known for his big picture thinking, and that's what he brought to the table. He is always somebody who is aware of what's happening in Toastmaster International, in the region, in the district. So he brought us and he connected us to all the Toastmaster clubs and districts outside our district. And then he was the advisor to DTAC Lebanon team. Then once we could not do the event in Lebanon, it was shifted to Abu Dhabi. He was the advisor for Abu Dhabi. And then finally the virtual event which happened, the DTAC, he was advisor to that also. So he was advisor 4 times around, and with his big picture thinking, he really did help the district. So thank you so much for doing a fantastic job. Now coming to the club growth director of our district, DTM Gurbinder Singh Pun. He is somebody who brought a lot of lightness to the entire proceedings with his sense of humor and his lovable nature. And we all love him for his ability to connect, to be real, his attitude to call spade a spade and sometimes be a devil's advocate and throw a spanner. But having said all that, he was somebody who always sincerely worked for the growth of the district. He worked at grassroots levels. He ensured that there was a lot of training done for the mentors, the coaches, and he ensured there was a process in place for developing new clubs, especially the corporate clubs. And he ensured, even in these tough times, in spite of losing so many clubs, we have added 25 clubs and we are still adding more clubs. And he also ensured that we appointed a whopping 62 coaches. So thanks to him and his team, today our district is on strong footing and we are doing very well, and we may finally end up finishing with good numbers. So thank you to Club Growth Director and his team, DTM Gurbinder Singh Pun. Coming to my right hand man, the man who is going to be in charge in few days time, Distinguished Toastmaster Nelson Meneses. I would call him a team man, and his motto, team work makes the dream work, is something he never left alone. His team was a prime example of how he developed each and every one of them in his team, delegated work, and he ensured that every club member were recognized as soon as it was evident on the dashboard. The DTM awards, the Triple Crown awards, the Distinguished Club awards, all were done by his team, and they did a fantastic job. Thanks to this man who is truly a team man and has an ability to connect with people. So I wish him all the best as the incoming district director. So best wishes to district director, Distinguished Toastmaster Nelson and his coming team. And I would like to thank all of you once again for allowing me to have a wonderful year. Thank you so much.